Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Hey everybody, so day 27's block is, in my opinion, just kind of funky, right? This is the Rachel block patterned by Melissa Green. And yeah, it's just kind of funky. So let's open this up. We're going to go to the Ravelry.com site to take a peek at the Rachel block. Yeah. So I'm not really digging it in those first colors. These ones, bit primary color strong, right? I mean, that is a lot of blue, yellow, and red. But kind of cool at the same time. This makes me think of a little kid, you know, like a little kid's room. Yeah, like Legos. But let's take a look at it in a different color. There we go. Now, check that out. That's a lot of color, right? But really kind of groovy and cool. So these are a little bit more my colors, and this one's really pretty. This one actually makes me think of my sister. These are colors that she would like. So what a difference the colors make. I'm not sure what this is rated as far as difficulty level goes, and honestly this square looks a little different to me than this square, but it might be just the angle of the picture. Okay, because like these petals look a little bit more three-dimensional to me than they do in this picture. But like I said, I really just think it has to do with maybe how tight the stitches are made and also the angle of the photograph. So let's see if we can find out any more. This is a free Ravelry download. It is a 12-inch block, which is pretty good size, right? That's, you know, a square foot. She used a 5.5mm hook and Aran weight yarn. She used Red Heart Super Saver solids for this. So yeah, this is really just a cool, and to me a funky square. It's just really cool. All right, everybody, let me know what you think of this square, and if you ever chose to make it, what colors would you use? Are you more of a primary color? Are you more of a secondary color kind of person? Do you like brights? Do you like pastels? Do you like more earth tones? Let me know. Let me know how you would make this square if you were going to. All right, until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're enjoying this series. Okay, everybody, have a good night.